Hello Seawolves, welcome back to another Android tutorial on how to make a pop-up sign in any Android application like this. First, download the APK Editor Pro in the description below. After downloading, open the APK Editor, click the Select APK from App. After that, open anything you want. Then click the APK and menu pop-up, just choose Full Edit, Resource Rebuild. Then you gonna see all of these text. Go to Files. Then click Text to Smalley. Just wait a second. Then Smalley file added, choose and click Smalley file, then at the search bar type on Create. Wait a second again. You gonna see a bunch of Smalley files, but never click anything. Just go scroll down and you gonna see a splash activity or anything like that. But not all the APK have splash activity. Sometimes the APK have name splashes like this one. Click that one, then go to search again, then click search again. You gonna see the on Create, then at the bottom registers, click the bottom of register, then place the code at the description. In this side you can edit your name or anything you want to pop up on a screen. Reminder, only text can be splashed in this tutorial. After that, click the Save, then Back. Then click Build. Wait a second. Make sure to remove the previous APK. Then, install. Open the APK, then you gonna see this pop-up sign. Thank you for watching. If you want more tutorial, just click like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below your suggestions. Greetings from Seawolf Team. Thank you.